How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Workshop Hunters. Today we're going to be taking a look at some more wild and crazy creations made in the workshop by y'all. So first thing we're going to take a look at right here. This is the Jet Formation by Ep2. Just WASD controls. Looks like we got 3 jets here. Let's have a look-see, shall we? I'm going to see, man. Alright. We got 3 jets. Connected by some suspension, it looks like. Let's bring it over here on the runway. And let's go for a wee bit of a flight, shall we? It's just A, D, space, S, and W. Alrighty, let's do it. Oh, it's very loud. Alright, we are airborne. Oh, look at that, the way they're popping in and out the suspension. Nice. Yeah, they fly pretty good. Oh, it's so quiet. Shh. Into the drink. Alright, alright. Very well, very well. Back to the wee spawn point then. Alright, let's try this. We got enough runway here. Do we? Do we? No, we don't. Apparently we don't. And apparently we don't fly just as one plane either. Not with a bunch of suspension hanging off the back. Alright, very good, very good. Let's try this way. It's not much, but at least we got a room to fall. Go, 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 go. There we go. See, that's great. That's just great. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Formation flyers. I've actually tried making formation flyers like this that you could disconnect and then the other planes would be like remotely flying with you. It's not a very easy task. Your drones never do exactly the way you fly. They don't fly. So it's really hard to do any kind of formation flying. Let's see, can we formation fly through a fire hoop? Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, can I turn? Can I turn sharp enough? Oh, into the post! Into the post! Aye. That was it. Right into the post. Alright, formation flyer. Have a look-see if you're into planes and multiple planes. Let's see what else we got. We have got, by Toro, this is called Sweet. Flies so nicely. To take off, accelerate, then press E. I could do that. I could do that. Alright, let's check out the sweetness. Alright, Sweet by Toro. Let's have a look-see here. First, let's examine. We've got many small jets facing down. It's on the motorcycle seat too, you'll notice. Which means it's a pain in the ass to build around because it's uneven number wide. Alright, let's have a look-see. We got space. And the only other key besides WASD is E. Oh, there's E, so that's our upward thrust. Oh, look at that, look at that. Space. Space will be forward. Oh, we got some tail rudder action happening. Oh, hey, 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 settle down. Settle down. Alright, there we go. It's much quieter than the last one, isn't it? Nice. It's very agile. Again, it's a little squirrely, right on the edge of being controllable and uncontrollable. So that's, I'm not actually doing anything at this point. So it's balanced pretty well. Nice small light creation. Looks like almost like a land speeder type, but a wing speeder. 130 miles an hour. Just above. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That'd probably be a good one in first person. Woohoo! Nice. Yeah, that's nice and clear. Nice field of view. Fly under here. Because it's so easy. Can we fly through one of these? Can we? Oh! Those things are actually bigger than they look, eh? I thought we were dead for sure. For sure, dead to rights. Or dead to left, whatever you like. If you're left-handed, I guess. There we go, coming in for the landing. Oh, there must be a sensor. Yep. Sensor underneath triggering E. Okay, that was cool. Right on, that was Sweet by Toro. Let's see what we got next. We have the Nightcrawler version 8 Racer by Dark Soul. WASD driving. Number 1 is to transform. This build is mostly focused on going fast. Let's go fast. Because that's what this thing does. Ooh, nice. Closes up. Nice design. Nice and sleek. Ooh, yeah, she's got some torque. Whoa. Yeehaw. Alright. Yep, she definitely goes fast. We have our number 1 is the transform. That opens up, gives us a little more stability. That's cool the way those pistons come out there. They're like 45 double sets. Nicely done. Nicely done. Everything closes up. Opens up like this for stability. Nice. Alright, let's take it over to the land and see what this puppy can do. Oh yeah, with motorcycle wheels in the sand are always a pleasant mix. Look at this sucker go. Oh, 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 she's a wee bit rubbery. Oh, hey, hey. Get over here. Get over here. Yahoo! Transform! Oh, well that stops it from spinning pretty quick. Definitely a little more stable this way. Yeah, she got some speed, alright. Oh. Barrelicious. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, come on. Stick together. Keep it together, lad. Probably goes faster when it's folded up like this. Probably more aerodynamic. Let's see, can we brake? No, 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 no. It's a wee bit floppy. If we hit a wee bit of a bump and you're going for a ride, it's flopping around like jello. There we go, there we go. Ooh, ooh, hey, 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 hey. Calm down, man. Alright. Brake 200. Ooh, really? $193, $194, $195. Dust. 0. 0 miles an hour instantly. Insta braking. Cool. Nice job, Dark Soul. Alright, let's see what else we got. We have a Futuristic Heli by Rob Horn. Yeah, is the description. Looks pretty slick. let's check it out. This is the Futuristic Heli. Futuristic Heli by Rob Horn. Looks very nice, like that sleek design. Looks like we've got some helicopter engines for pitch and roll, perhaps. Got some gimbals on the back there. Oh, there's another set back there. Got thrusters on the wings and some cannons. Controls. We have space and left control. Left control, I imagine, is going to shoot some cannons. And space. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow, okay, that happened quick. Okay, well, the thrusters have automatically come on, and it's staying stable this way. I can turn left and right. We got our cannon action. See what happens when I let go of everything. Just, oh. Whoa, it does a nice gentle backflip. See, can we attempt to actually land like that? Ooh, no, that's... Nope. That didn't work. Get off me, man. It ain't heavy. It's my chopper. So you just hit space and it automatically balances itself out. So it looks like, yeah, as soon as you let go of the power, it just goes squirrely. So she is a power-on chopper. No hover mode, but I do like the nice slick design. Well done. It's not super fast, but it's hard to get a fast helicopter. Well done, Rob. And the next awesome build from the workshop is going to be... build's gonna be the Headless Giant Evangelion Unit 1 by Ep2 135. W to walk, A and D to turn, and shift, ready to walk. Because when we don't hit shift, we're not ready to walk. And it's headless because of complexity. I understand that, totally. I know where you're coming from. Alright, well, it's pretty big. Definitely pretty big. Lots of color. Nice design. Looks like he's ready to rock and roll. We got some spark action happening in the lower back action. You should see a chiropractor home. Alright, let's see the walking action. Okay, so first thing, remember, shift. Bang. Ready to go. Look at that. Nice stance. And space. What does space do? Space, I don't know. But then we just have W, A, and D. So let's try and turn. Can we turn? Come on. Oh, you can see he's trying. Come on, Holmes. And then forward. Oh, oh, hey, buddy, hey, buddy. Oh. Too many beers, man. Told you, man. Oh, airborne. Find flat ground. Come on, flat ground, man. This way. Alright, now, let's try this again. Shift. Ready to walk. W. Nice. He's creeping. Alright. I'm coming, man. I'm coming. Alright, this is like 2:30 in the morning on Friday night. We try to sneak into the house. Don't wake anybody up, man. Oh, wait. Oh, oh, I got this. I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, oh, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Oh, man. Put that chair there, man. Oh. That's really cool. That's really well done. I know how difficult it is to get something this tall and skinny to actually stay balanced and move parts at the same time. Not an easy task. So shift to go into walk mode. I'd still like to know what space does. That activates some kind of stabilizer. You just be like, hey man, step in here, step in. Sneaking up on the enemy. Shh. Don't let him see you coming. Dude, you're 60 feet tall. Oh yeah, right. That's kind of hard to hide. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. You know how hard it is to make a walker, and that is definitely a good-looking walker. Cool. Oh. Kick the barrel, kick the barrel, kick the barrel. Give it a boot, Holmes. Come on, man. Give it a kick, kick the barrel, man. You can do it. You can do it, man. Come on, do it. Boom! Nice. Nice kick. He's a striker, right? Used to play for Manchester United. And he's a corpse. Cool. I think we're going to leave that one there, guys. Keep them coming, guys. I'll keep looking at them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed what you seen. And we will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.